Hi, welcome to my channel Varsua World. Today we are going to make a geometric design of a face of a tiger. We will require a cutting board, a stiff paper of A4 size of any color, a printout on A4 size paper, a paper cutter, steel ruler, scissor and a masking tape. We will begin with attaching the printout page on the colored paper with the help of a masking tape. Now with the help of a cutting blade and a ruler, we'll start to cut all the necessary parts. We won't be cutting along the print lines, but we'll be cutting around a distance of 1 or 2 mm away from the print lines. We'll cut on either side of the print lines. If you will search for the words geometric design on the internet, you will get many more designs, and it will be of different shapes. It might be of animal, birds, plants, etc. Here I have used paper, but the other options are to use a thick plastic sheet or even a metal sheet. Plastic sheets and metal sheets are more sturdy and they last longer than the paper. Some use newspaper tubes which they place along the print lines. We can even use wooden skewers which is used in the foods like making barbecues, and we can place it along the print lines. I have fast forwarded major portion of the video because it took me around 50 minutes and it's just boring just to see the repetitive steps of cutting. This is quite easy to make, and it makes a great handmade gift card. Handmade gifts always carry more weightage and are more appreciated because you have taken the pains and you have spent time in making it yourself. My son loved it so much that he pasted one on the glass of his window and another on the wall of his bedroom. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest.